And with us now to lead the hour here on the deal of the day, the man behind the deal, IBM Chief Commercial Officer and Senior Vice President Rob Thomas. IBM's first broadcast interview since announcing that deal. It's good to have you, Rob. Welcome.
Great to be here. Thanks for having me.
So why now? Are you buying Apptio?
We're always opportunistic, looking for different things in the market. I think we can agree technology has become more important than ever to every company. And as I talk to CEOs, CIOs, CFOs, they're thinking, how do I manage complexity of technology and my spend? Apptio is a virtual command center. You can look at all of your technology spend, your cloud spend, even your labor spend. So there's notion of total cost of ownership. You can now do that with software. I think this is a perfect time to do something like this.
How does it fit in with where IBM is going and your portfolio of services?
Think about, as we transformed IBM, we've said hybrid cloud, AI, that's going to be the focus. We want to do more in recurring revenue businesses, software businesses. This fits right into our strategy around automation, which is companies are trying to automate business processes, automate their IT. If we can bring something like Apptio that enables them to also automate their financials, how they're looking at their spend, how they're reducing complexity, we think this can really be a game changer for clients.
Does it drive sales of Red Hat as well?
Yes, because every client thinking about Red Hat, they say, well, what are my options? I want to run on hybrid cloud. What is the most economical place to deploy some technology? This will help them make those decisions. And we think this will be a catalyst not only for Red Hat, but you think about the acquisition we did a couple years ago with Turbonomic. Apptio gives you insights. Turbonomic helps you execute on the insights. So it's from insights to optimization.
Curious how you feel about pricing right now. I think was this 7 deals so far this year?
Yes, correct. This is number 7.
And are you seeing bargains? Is this reflective of the overall environment right now in software?
We have to always be on the lookout for what is the right time to do anything. So in the case of Apptio, we'd partnered with them for a couple years. This became the right time. As you look at what we've done year to date, it's primarily been smaller deals. We found evaluations that are attractive, that meet our financial model and what we want to do. But we always have our eyes open as we keep going here. Hard to predict where the market goes, but we're looking for things that align to our strategy around software and consulting.
You say in the press release that Apptio is profitable. Can you expand on that? Can you cite any growth rates for us on just how that business looks?
Founded in 2007, so they've been at it for a while. And it's healthy growth rate. It is profitable. Recurring revenue, this is what we really like in businesses like this. Here's an interesting data point. They have collected, in terms of data, $450 billion worth of IT spend. So we can go to any client and say, we know how IT dollars are being spent. We can help benchmark where you sit. And that's a game changer that Apptio has brought to this that was not available before they've created this data set.
That's interesting. I wonder if it gives you any intelligence on the notion or the theory being posited that the AI crush is going to crowd out sort of legacy spend right now, at least in hyperscale.
It's hard to predict exactly how this happens, but as we've talked about our own story in IBM, how we've automated a lot of our business processes, I think every company is going to start to do that. Things like generative AI can change how you're executing certainly repetitive tasks. And so we look at something like with Apptio, we can bring the same thing to technology, the infrastructure, and clients want a way to make sure that they're optimizing for price and performance. That's something that we could do together.
But you know, all the investors want to know is how does it fit in with generative AI and what you're offering there?
So let's think about it. We announced Watson X back in May, coming available first week of July, so we're really excited about that. And Watson X has capability around building models, foundation models, and there's a component around data. So think about what you could do when you have more data. It changes the kind of models that you could build. So these are some of the ideas we have. We're still just, at this point, we just announced the intent to acquire, so a lot of work still to do. But you could see how this could feed into what we're doing with Watson X.